Hi, welcome to ENN Food. I'm Caleb.
I'm Sean.
In light of the fall season, we're going to teach you how to make pumpkin bread today.
Here's the list of ingredients you will need to make the pumpkin bread. There's bread mix, 1 cup of water, 2 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of oil.
The first step is going to be to preheat the oven to 370 degrees Fahrenheit.
After that, put all the ingredients into a bowl, starting with the bread mix.
One cup of water, 2 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Step 3, you're going to mix the ingredients together until mixed smoothly.
After that, pour it all into a bread pan. We're going to be using a 9-inch by 5-inch, but if you have another one, you can use that.
Step 5 is going to be to put it in the oven for 45 to 55 minutes.
After that, take it out of the oven, and there you go. There's pumpkin bread.
Pumpkin bread.